This is gonna blow your mind, literally. Your Silverado's AC could be failing for one simple reason. Let's break it down. So, what is the AC compressor clutch? It's a small but important part under your hood. When you turn on your air conditioning, this clutch grabs onto the compressor, letting it start cooling the air. But if the clutch doesn't engage, your AC can't do its job. The most common reason? Low refrigerant. If your system is low on this, a safety switch keeps the clutch from turning on to protect the compressor. Another reason could be a blown fuse or a bad relay. Both are quick, cheap fixes, if you know where to look. Wiring issues can also stop the clutch. Sometimes a loose or broken wire just needs to be reconnected, and of course the clutch itself can wear out over time. If you hear clicking but nothing happens, that's a sign the clutch might need replacing. So before rushing to a mechanic, check your refrigerant level, fuses and wires. These small steps could save you time and money. If it's still not working, it might be time for professional help. Stay cool out there, and don't let a simple AC problem ruin your drive.